with bloopers goes credit. With my bloopers requested by Nothing to Do blogs. 20th Century Fox Bloopers 59. Okay. Cue the logo. Yes, sir. Why does it say $20 pound 5 com? Because I like $20 because I like $20 pound 5 com. Squish, squish. No! It's not supposed to say $20 pound 5 com. It's supposed to say 20th Century Fox. And I received a logo. Hey, no ads. What is this? Two hours later. Stop the logo. This is gonna harm the studio. Why did you do that? It's been going on for 2 whole hours. 2 hours, 0 minutes, and 0 seconds. Why does it say 20th Century Cat? Because I like 20th Century Cat. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, you can't do it like me. No, nothing to do with this. What's this one? Cut. Why is the 20th Century Fox logo different? It's not live action. Why is it forward and reversed? Forget reversed and make it live action. And not as so in a recording. Okay. Please don't get mad at me. What is it? Hey, the 0 rolled away. Okay, why is the 0 back? Why? Okay, why did the 0 fall down and then come right back again? Because. Come on. Well, you wanted it like this, right? No! I want it live action. And I need it with background, and the 2 is not supposed to look weird. But at least the 0 doesn't look slanted.
All the answers will be found within. What? It's blank? Are you kidding me? Oh, okay. Here we go.
Why is the 2020 Fox logo not live action? Why? Like I wanted it to be! Because I don't like it live action. But I have to tell you that is better. It's not anything. So make a live action like I want it to. Okay. Fine. Surprise. Oh my God. I cannot believe it. You actually surprised me without having to give you a second, a last chance. Wow, really? Yeah. I cannot believe it. I cannot believe it. You actually, you really got it without me having to give you a last chance. I cannot believe it. Look at the audience. It's really happy. The audience is really happy for you. And you should be happy for yourself too, because I'm happy for you as well. Really? And you know what you deserve? You deserve better. Even better. Now try to keep it up. Okay. I'll try. Please, just... Yes. You deserve to go to another studio and do your bloopers and direct somebody. What?